If your computer performance is slowing down and not functioning as well as it used to, optimizing your Windows 10 settings can help increase your speeds and computer efficiency. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you some effective tips and tricks to speed up your Windows 10 computer. Over time, your computer can start to feel sluggish, but don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in. Our first step is to perform checking for the latest updates. To check for updates, click the Start menu and go to Settings, Update and Security. Windows Update, check for updates. If updates are available, click Install Now. One of the best ways to get the most out of your computer is to apply the most recent Windows 10 update. Microsoft often publishes updates to address common bugs and system issues that degrade system performance. Some updates are modest, while others are big modifications to the system that are aimed to search for the most recent device drivers, which can enhance the performance of your computer. Restart your computer and check to see whether it performs faster. Take note, stop the background updates when you are using your computer because it may slow down your computer's performance. You may perform installing of Windows updates when you are not using computer. Next is programs. When several programs and apps are open at the same time, computer performance suffers. Many software instruct Windows to execute their apps as soon as you boot up your computer, which slows down system performance. Let's optimize the startup process by disabling unnecessary programs from launching at startup. This will help speed up your computer's boot time. To disable program launch during startup, open Task Manager and navigate to the Startup tab. If you look for Startup Impact, it will tell you which programs have a high to low influence on your startup. The ones with a high impact are the ones slowing down your system performance. To prevent a program from launching at startup, right-click on the program and select Disable. Next is check your storage. You have to check the available storage space, because when the storage is nearly full, it will affect the performance of your computer. Delete unnecessary files manually or open the Start menu and type Disk Cleanup in the search bar. Select the Disk Cleanup application from the search results. Check the boxes for the file types you want to remove, such as temporary internet files and downloaded program files. Click OK, and then select Delete Files to confirm. Disk Cleanup finds unwanted files such as temporary files, offline web pages, and installer files on your computer and offers to delete them all at once. Next is to delete unused software. Over time, you tend to accumulate a lot of programs that you no longer need. And also, your computer often comes with pre-installed third-party software that you might not necessarily need. They're known as bloatware and can take up storage space and slow down your computer. Let's clean up our system by uninstalling unnecessary software. Open the Start menu and go to Settings. Click on Apps and Features. Review the list of installed programs and uninstall the ones you no longer need by clicking on them and selecting Uninstall. Or Control Panel, Programs and Features, uninstall a program. Right-click on any programs you no longer need and select Uninstall. Next is Disable Special Effects. Windows 10 includes several special effects that enhance the user experience. These are pre-configured with Windows and other features. Translucency and animations are two other distinctive elements that can slow down your computer. To change these, go to System. Then click the Advanced System Settings page. On the Advanced tab and look for Performance and click Settings. Click the Visual Effects tab and select Custom. You'll see a list of visual effects that you can disable by unticking the boxes. When you're finished, click Apply to confirm your changes. Next is Optimize Drive. Optimizing your drives can help your computer run smoother and boot up faster. To optimize them, select the search bar on the taskbar and enter defrag. Select Defragment and Optimize Drives. Select the disk drive you want to optimize. Select the Optimize button. Next tip is to check for malware. Because malware can significantly slow down your computer, it's important to run regular malware scans to keep your system clean and fast. Install a reputable antivirus program if you don't already have one. You can use a third-party tool or the built-in Windows security. Perform a full system scan to detect and remove any malware or viruses. Next is change power mode to best performance. Adjusting your power settings can also contribute to improving your computer's performance. Let's optimize them for better speed. Open the Start menu and search for Power and Sleep Settings. Select Additional Power Settings on the right-hand side. Choose the High Performance Power Plan. If these steps didn't help to boost the performance, then it might be time to upgrade your computer hardware. Considering upgrading hardware such as RAM. RAM upgrades can significantly increase your computer's speed and performance. To determine what sort of RAM your computer requires, launch Task Manager. Then select Performance. You will notice how many memory slots are accessible in the computer, as well as the type of RAM and form factor. Install SSD. Upgrading your storage can significantly enhance the speed and performance of your computer. While most computers are equipped with traditional hard drives, HDD, replacing your storage hardware with a solid-state drive, SSD, can transform your system into a powerhouse of efficiency and power. And there you have it. By following these tips, you can significantly speed up your Windows 10 computer and enjoy a smoother computing experience. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.